Design faster with this Canva folder tip no one is talking about. So the first thing you are going to do is click on the Upload tab, which is where we are right here. You are then going to go and click on the uploaded images that you would like to save in the folder. So here I have already uploaded what I wanted to create a folder for. But here's where you would go. Upload file, then you click on the items that you would like to save in their folder. A little tip is to save the items that you are looking for. Save them under either the client name, what it is, photo shoot, whatever the case may be. You're going to create a new folder at the bottom if you haven't done so already. So here we're going to create and we're going to do photo Margot. It would be nice if I know how to spell my name as well. So then we're going to go move to folder. So once we move the items to the folder, where did they go? Under projects, you're going to see all design folders and you're going to click on folder. And once you click on folder, it's going to say photo Margot, which is what I named the file. So then you're going to click on it. And then from there, you will see the photos that you put into that folder. So you don't have to have that endless scrolling, just looking for stuff that you have already uploaded, but because you did not put them in a folder or label them, guess what happened? You're having a moment, like I'm having a moment here, but I look way too happy to be having a moment. Okay, I hope this video helps. I will talk to you in the next one.